What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on GMT, which has been dropping like crazy over the last couple of hours. As you can see, it was fluctuating around above the 90 cents target for most of the day. However, earlier on this morning, afternoon, midday time, it decided to take a major drop in value, going all the way down to 78 cents, and it is down 15% for the last 24 hours. So what we're going to be going through today is it time to buy the dips, or is it, just time to hold on to at the moment? Should you sell it? Will it drop further than 78 cents? As you can clearly see, it's been going into the red zone from about, let's say, early June. So earlier this month, this is when it hit into the red zone. So right now it's getting worse and worse and worse. So should you wait to buy it for it to drop further, or will it recover very quickly? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and obviously giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and so on. And yes, the whole crypto market is down, as you can see on the side here. Bitcoin has dropped down to $28,000, which is not looking too good at all, nearly hitting the $27,000 mark, and the whole crypto market is down 6%. No surprise that we've been in a bear market for about a month or three months in a row now, and yeah, it doesn't seem to be recovering anytime soon, but we're gonna get through that very shortly. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And again, let's get straight into it. So over the last hour itself, it managed to drop about just over a percentage. Over the last day, 15%. Over the week, 21%. And over the month, a massive 44%, guys. So nearly half of its value has been wiped off in a single month. Scrolling down onto the coin market cap website, we can also see here that the trading volume has gone up by a massive 23% in the last 24 hours, making it $418 million, which is a huge amount of money that is still being traded on GMT. And it looks like a lot of people are currently buying the dips because the trading volume has gone up, and I'm expecting it to go even higher, potentially to around $500 million over the next couple of hours, as we are going to see more and more people buying the dips. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. But the only issue with this GMT token is that it hasn't been there for quite too long. As you can see, it was launched on this website. When was this? Mid-March is when it got launched, so just about 2 months ago. So there is not much historical data for us to do on the long term, so I'm going to have to start off with a 30-minute chart and work my way up. But again, before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And also, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, it's telling us that more drops in value are expected. The orange line is looking quite bearish, going in a negative direction, and looking quite steep as well. But the only reason for that is because of the major drops that's taking place right now. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep dropping, it's going to keep going down in value, but that is not the case. I'm expecting it to slowly and steadily recover. Don't get me wrong, I'm expecting it to drop further, but again, that we are going to see peaks in between as well, so the drop won't be as bad. It's already taken a huge dip, so I'm not expecting it to go through another major drop in value. And here we've got the blue line literally in a flat out situation, going in a straight line, meaning it's not looking bullish or bearish, so it's going to fluctuate at the current price range. But the orange line is telling us it's going in a negative direction. Yes, it will go in a negative direction. What I'm predicting, it will go in a negative direction, but before that it will recover a little bit, going past the 80 cents target, going to about 85 cents, and then potentially dropping down again below the lowest it's been in the last 24 hours, which is 77 cents. So I'm expecting it to drop down to about 74 to 75 cents over the coming hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still not looking too great. But again, the only reason for that is because of the major drop that's taken place. The graph thinks it's going to keep dropping, but yeah, we should be able to see it recover over the coming days. So towards the end of next week, we should be above the 90 cents target. But again, it all depends on one cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops below the $27,000 mark, then we are going to see major drops on the whole crypto market, which we don't want to see. But obviously, if that does happen, then it happens. But if Bitcoin does decide to pump back up, above the $30,000 mark, then we are going to see most cryptos, I wouldn't say fully recover, but start to recover slowly. But at the moment, we are not looking too great. So if any of you guys want daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin and want to find out what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you guys need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it goes up to $29.99. But don't worry, for the first 100 people that do join for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So what does this subscription include? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily price updates and analysis and predictions on Bitcoin to show you guys what to expect from the market that specific day and that specific week from the whole crypto market as well. Obviously, this is just a screenshot about I think about a week or two ago, and obviously giving you guys analysis on different cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. So we have indeed dropped into the red zone. The last time we were in the red zone was all the way back in late March. Ever since then, we were doing very good, hitting an all-time high of $4.13, and this was in late April, as you can see here. And then in May we dropped down, and July got even worse, and we are trading in the red zone. And yes, looking at this graph, it clearly does look like it's a pump and dump token, but I don't believe it is. I've already invested into the GMT and I'm still holding on to it. I haven't bought more, but if it does drop below a certain price target which I've got in mind, then yes, I will be investing into it. But so far, I'm not investing into at the moment. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on GMT, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below how low or how high do you guys think GMT can go in 2022. I want to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around GMT. So let me know, comment down below what your expectations and predictions are on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel, liking my videos and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. A massive thank you and a massive shout out to each and every single one of you guys, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as well. So please make sure to keep subscribing, and let's try and hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible before I do the cryptocurrency giveaway. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for too long. I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.